Let's create our own gradient background in Canva. The first thing we're going to do is start a design. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to change the background color to white because we're going to be starting from scratch. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the photo that you want. Okay, this is a photo that we're using. All right, and the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to go over to the background and we're going to click on it and we're going to go to the plus, then we're going to go to gradient. What we're now going to do is you see it opened up to here and you have these options down here. But let's see which one's going to be best. So we're just going to start adding because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 colors that we're going to use. So we have the first one, I would say let's start with the black. So once you click on here, it will do this. And what you're going to do is you're going to find black. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to do is go on to the next color, which is going to be, I would say, the dark green. Then the next color can be the yellow. So we're going to go over to her eyeshadow. Let's see if we can get a better click from over here. Let's do this one over here. There we go. So now you have a yellow. And the next color is going to be a red. So let's click on here and let's grab the red from the top of. So see how it's changing? Okay. So what I would then suggest is, I should have done that from the beginning, is remove the background. So once you remove the background, you can extend your photo up because you're trying to get something that's going to match this beautiful young lady. So once you have all your colors to your liking, the next thing that you can do is these are the different styles. So you could click on here and see which style you like the best. And that's how you create a custom gradient in Canva.